In this problem, we are given the balance sheet of Audi Bank, including its assets and its liabilities. In part A, we are being asked to find the required reserve ratio. We know that the required reserve ratio is equal to the required reserves divided by the deposits. So from the balance sheet, we can see that the required reserve is equal to $2,000, while the deposits are equal to $10,000, and thus the required reserve is going to be 0.2, that is 20%. So the required reserve ratio is 20%. In part B, we are being told that the central bank purchased $3,000 worth of bonds from Audi Bank, and how is this going to affect the excess reserves and the demand deposits? First of all, the purchase of $3,000 worth of bonds is directly going to decrease government securities by $3,000. So government securities decrease by $3,000. These $3,000 are going to be added to excess reserves. Thus, excess reserves will increase by $3,000. And finally, the transaction has nothing to do with demand deposits. Thus, demand deposits will actually remain the same. In part C, we are being asked to calculate the change in money supply resulting from the purchase of the bonds. The change in money supply is equal to the money multiplier multiplied by the change in reserves, and the money multiplier is equal to 1 divided by the required reserve ratio. So it's equal to 1 divided by the 0.2 we found in part A, so the money multiplier is equal to 5. Thus, the change in money supply is equal to 5 multiplied by the change in reserves, which was found in part B, $3,000. It's equal to $15,000.